Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter percentage. This percentage word made from two words per plus cent. This per means for each and this cent means 100. It means percentage means for each 100, and the symbol of this percentage is this symbol. And if you write 5%, means 5 by 100. It means 5 for each 100. If you write 16%, it means 16 out of 100. It means 16 out of 100. 16 for each 100. Now we have to understand how we convert a percentage into a fraction. So the thing is percent into fraction. So students, to change the percent into fraction, suppose I am taking an example 15%, and this 15% we have to convert into fraction. So you know percent means by 100, so you can write it like 15 by 100. This is a fraction, but this fraction is not in lowest term. So to convert this fraction in lowest term, we have to reduce this fraction. So this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, 0, 20. So you can write 8 3 by 20. I am going to take another example. 20.5%. 20.5%. This is a percentage, and if you have to change it into fraction in lowest term, you just write for percent, that is by 100. So you just write 20.5 by 100. Now you know in the decimal chapter, this decimal, if you this decimal cut it here, so you can remove it and you can write it 205 by 100 and another 0 for this digit. Okay. Now this 205 and 1000 is also divisible by 5, so you can reduce it. So 5 4 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 0 0. So you can write it in lowest term, that is 41 by 200. Okay. Now another example, if there is written 12 whole 1 by 2%, which is in fraction form, and again this percent means 500. So you just write first it into improper fraction, that is 25 by 2%. And to change it into lowest term, you just write 25 by 2. And for this percent, you have to write 100 in the denominator. So multiply by 100 you have to write. Okay. Now you have to change it into lowest term. You can reduce this 25, 1 is 25, 25, 4 ja 100. Now it will be 1 by 8. 1 and 2 4 ja 8. So this is the lowest term of this 12 whole 1 by 2%. Okay. Now students, we are going to discuss fraction. How can we change, how can we convert the fraction into percentage? So if there is written 2 by 5, this is a fraction and we have to convert it in percentage. In conversion of percent into fraction, you just divide by 100, and here in the reverse process, fraction into percent, you have to multiply by 100. So you can write down 2 by 5 into 100 and put the symbol of percent. And 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 0, and that will be 40%. So this 2 by 5 now converted into 40%. You can take another example. 6 by 5 or 6 by 4 you can write. 6 by 4 is a fraction, you have to change it into percent, so you just multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percent. Now this is 25, 25 6 are 150%. So this is the conversion of fraction into percentage. Now the case is decimal into percent. Students, to convert decimal to percent, you just multiply by 100 again. So if there is written 2.5, this is the decimal, and if you have to convert it into percent, you just multiply it by 100. And you know, by multiplying in the form of 100, this decimal just change its place. In the right side, this decimal comes into right side and it will be 250.0%. Likewise, if there is written 0.032 and this decimal you have to convert it into percentage, so you just multiply it by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Now this decimal now change its place 1, 2 because there is 100. So this decimal comes here and it will be 3.2%. So student, this is the conversion process, and I think now you understand how you can convert a percent into fraction, fraction into percent, decimal into percent. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.